Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Darrel Wolfe. You know what? I'm also known as the Doc of Detox because there's something about detoxification, and I'm going to tell you something. Detoxification has never been more important than it is today. Just like I want everybody to do daily cleansing of their large intestine, small intestine, because there's these little fibers, especially in the small intestine, little hairs, and those little hairs, guess what? They collect things that you don't want, okay? Well, just like chubby, right? I mean, do you think your environment and your body's no more important than your house? Absolutely. And if you've got rugs, remember something, those rugs have these little hairs. There's all kinds of hairs on rugs. And what do they have? They got bacteria, they got viruses, they got fungus, they've got mites, they've got everything, because everything that's outside comes inside, and everything inside will grow. So you gotta understand something, keep your rugs clean, especially coming in the winter time. Okay, you're gonna be inside more and you're gonna be laying on your rug. Well, don't be sucking up that stuff unless you've had chubby come by and do the clean machine on that rug, and you can bury your face in it and feel good about it. Okay, you got this, okay? Snug as a rug.